Welcome to Model Horse Tax School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to be unboxing the warehouse sale haul. So, Breyer had a warehouse sale, and it was a bunch of stuff from previous Breyer-fests. You know, I go when I can. I haven't been, a couple years. So this is a chance just to get some of the stuff that I didn't, wasn't able to. So I got 3 things. They're all stablemates. This one here, Oktoberfest Treats 4-pack. The number is 711606. And the price was way less than that. So, these are cute boxes. They do make cute boxes. Alrighty. Looks like we pull out the tab, put it down, and what do we got? Tape. We have tape. Oh, what a cutie. So this looks a lot like, it's definitely one of my favorite horse colors, if not my absolute favorite horse color. Just something stunning about a chocolate dapple or a silver dapple. And that looks like Othello, the stablemate version. Oh, so pretty. Oh, you're so pretty. And that guy was called, what's he called? Brezel. B-R-E-Z-E-L. Brezel. Oh, what a cutie. Alright, and this is Spatzel? Oh, Spatzel. It contains 1 horse. What have we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, wow, that's kind of nice. Look at that. I swear. These things just excite me. Stupid little horses. Wow, that's kind of nice. Like the shading. Wow, he is kind of nice. I got the it's a here. Come on, get back in your wrapper. I know, one day I'm going to make the wall. It's just going to have stablemates. First of all, I have to find the wall. Alright, this is Doppelbock. I've actually had these for a couple of weeks. I haven't had a chance to do the video and just go, I want to play with my toys. Oh, good boy. He's even got little dapples. Oh, cool. Isn't he nice? Look at that. That's really nice. I don't know if I like the eye whites there. Sometimes in stablemates, it just kind of just makes them look weird. But he's nice. Come on, let's get in the paper. Get in the plastic. There we go. And then this is Lakritz. Kakritz? Is anybody supposed to be able to pronounce these names? That looks like a truck in her. Oh, they even painted the ribbons on this one. Oh, nice. Here's the opening. Oh, wow. Look at those dapplers. I don't know if you can see them under all that gloss. And the ribbons are painted. Oh, he's really nice. Shh, look at that. No complaints on any of these. They all like really look nice. And well, this one might have had some. Oh, just wiped it off. Really, really nice. All right. That's pretty good. I should clean those up real quick and then. Okay, so now we have Best of Breyer. And this is Series 2. I don't have one. I think I got one when I went a couple years ago. And let's take them out. Let's take a look. And the back here is, on the back, explains what they are. Come on. Okay, so this is Locksley, inspired by Nottingham, and I guess Nottingham was a silver, the model silver, the rearing one, and so Nottingham was a volunteer model from 2011. So people who volunteered in 2011 got a Locksley, or got a Nottingham, and this is a stablemate that's painted like him. I have a couple volunteer models. Shh, I'll tell you. All right, and then we have Into the Woods, inspired by Happily Ever After, and that was a diorama contest prize, like trophy of 2011. So that was on the Justin Morgan, and then this is painted to look like that diorama contest prize model. Huh. Okay, this is Thumbelina. Isn't it cute? Oh, what a cute pony. Inspired by Tom Thumb. And Tom Thumb was on the, oh, what pony is it? It's the pony, traditional size pony. She's really pretty with her head tilted. She's so pretty. I don't have any of those. Anyways, it's inspired by Tom Thumb. Live Show Reserve Prize, 2011. So, Live Show Reserve, second place in 2011 for the live show, got it, Tom Thumb. And this is Thumbelina, painted like Tom Thumb. It's a cute little pink spot. It's so cute. Okay, next we have This is Grimm Early Bird Model 2011. Not even sure what that is. I guess the first one to get to buy some stuff in the store, I guess. Early Bird Model. That was inspired by Perrault, was the Early Bird Model. And this is Grimm, inspired by Perrault. Perrault was on the San Domingo model. So, kind of nice. Kind of nice. And then we have Pendragon. Oh, that is really nice. Wow. That is really nice. I have stuff on my hands. Huh, hope not. So Pendragon was inspired by Camelot, the live show grand prize of 2011. And that was on, I don't even know the name of that mold. Well, if anybody knows the name of the mold for Camelot, you can put it in the comments. I think he's might be an ideal, he's got to be like an ideal Morgan or ideal stock horse. Right now I can only see his front end, and I don't think I own any of those. Anyways, that's not the ideal stock horse. It looks like him, but so this guy's Pendragon. All right, so that's them. They're pretty cool. Despite what anybody says, you can never have too many stablemates. Oh, next, Series 3, Best of Brewerfest. Okay, in the back here tells me what's what, so let's see. This one, Schumacher. I swear I had a memory foam bed that did that to me every night. I'd be so stuck in whatever position it was, I couldn't get out of it. Hated that mattress. All right, this is Schumacher, inspired by Sienna. Sienna was the Open Show Grand Prize model for 2016. Look at that. It's amazing they can do it that small. And Schumacher, so Sienna was on the cigar mold. That's lovely. All right. Let's see, bring up. This, another nice paint job. Look at that. This is Mayfield, inspired by Palomar. Palomar was the early bird model for 2016. So Mayfield, Palomar was on the polo horse. The polo pony, looks like it's the traditional scale, which looks like Smarty Jones with the polo, with a roached mane and a bound up polo tail, wrapped polo type tail. Really nice, really, really nice. It's very indicative of the old way they used to do dapples or roning. We loved those back then. We didn't know any better. We were just happy to have the horses. All right. This is Mueller, inspired by Pele. Pele was the contest prize model of 2016. And Pele was on the smoky mold. I think Pele had more dapples. This guy barely has any dapples. I'm not wild about rearing models anyways. Okay, what do we got? This is Radler. I've never seen this stablemate mold. That's lovely. Look at all of the muscling. It's just awesome. The mold, I mean, the paint job's okay. Very interesting color. Okay, so this is Radler, inspired by Capri, C-A-I, K-P-I-R-N-I-N-H-A. Capirina. It was a volunteer model of 2016. Was that on Smart Chickalina? Who is that? Oh no, I like this one better. That's beautiful. So I haven't seen any flaws on any of these. They're just gorgeous. All right, so who's my last one? Lenzer. Lenzer was inspired by Brigadeiros, Open Show Reserve Champion. And that was on the Morgansland? Looks like it. Anyways, it's the shading. They actually got shading in there. So it's brown. I guess that would be a bay, huh? Mane and tail are darker than the body. That's just beautiful. What a beauty. Okay. Well, that was my haul from the factory sale. If you got anything good, let everybody know in the comments. Thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have a really good day.